Welcome to the MS Academy. Please like, subscribe and share. Most repeated MCQs Part A for the post of SST. What play the most important role in regulating temperature and determining climate on the earth? A. Ocean, B. Mountain, C. Desert. Answer is A. Ocean. In plants, the process of pollination enables A. Fertilization, B. None of these, C. Gymnosperm. Answer is C. Gymnosperm. Which of the following is a tissue? A. Blood, B. Lung, C. Kidney. Answer is A. Blood. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by its dash number. A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron. Answer is B. Proton. The most abundant element in the earth crust is A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide. Answer is A. Oxygen. Each day human body breathes in dash liters of air. A. 5,000 to 10,000, B. 10,000 to 15,000, C. 15,000 to 20,000. Answer is C. 15,000 to 20,000. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into 5 atmospheric layers. The ozone layer lies in the A. Stratosphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Tropospheres. Answer is A. Stratospheres. The fresh water is about dash of the total water on the earth. A. 1%, B. 2.5%, C. 5%. Answer is B. 2.5%. Blood plasma, a yellowish liquid, consists of water by A. 72%, B. 92%, C. 79%. Answer is B. 92%. Which component of the blood fight against infection on wounds? A. Plasma, B. Platelets, C. Red blood cells. Answer is A. Plasma. Which metal is vital for aerospace industry? A. Copper, B. Iron, C. Aluminium. Answer is C. Aluminium. Which component of blood help the blood to clot and stop bleeding? A. White blood cells, B. Red blood cells, C. Platelets. Answer is C. Platelets. The sun's mass is mainly consists of A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Silicon. Answer is A. Hydrogen. The Viceroy dash partitioned the province of Bengal in 1905 AD. A. Minto, B. Mountbatten, C. Curzon. Answer is C. Curzon. Which is the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan? A. Manchar Lake, B. Kinjar Lake, C. Rawal Lake. Answer is A. Manchar Lake. Pakistan was disintegrated and Bangladesh became a separate independent state in dash. A. 1975, B. 1970, C. 1972. Answer is A. 1971. Sir Creek, which is a disputed waterway between India and Pakistan, is located along the border of dash. A. Balochistan, B. Sindh, C. Punjab. Answer is B. Sindh. Pakistan Day is celebrated throughout Pakistan each year on A. 6 September, B. 14 August, C. 23rd March. Answer is C. 23rd March. The Muslim League passed Lahore Resolution, popularly known as Pakistan Resolution, on dash. A. 12 April 1940, B. 23rd March 1947, C. 23rd March 1940. Answer is C. 23rd March 1940. Which kind of system of government was introduced in 1973 Constitution? A. Socialist, B. Presidential, C. Parliamentary. Answer is C. Parliamentary. The Pakistan Resolution was presented on 23rd March 1940 by dash. A. Qaid-e-Azam, B. A.K. Fazl-e-Haq, C. Chaudhry Khaliq-ur-Zaman. Answer is B. A.K. Fazl-e-Haq. Quit India movement in 1942 was started by A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Qaid-e-Azam. Answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. The first Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution and to act as a federal legislative assembly was formed under the dash. A. Indian Act 1947, B. Government of India Act 1935, C. 3rd June Plan. Answer is A. Indian Independent Act 1947. The inaugural session of the first Constituent Assembly was presided over by dash. A. Qaid-e-Azam, B. Sir Aga Khan, C. J. N. Mandal. Answer is C. J. N. Mandal. In the inaugural session, who was elected as the president of the first Constituent Assembly? A. Saraga Khan, B. Quaid-e-Azam, C. Liaquat Ali Khan. Answer is B. Quaid-e-Azam. The objective resolution on the aims and objectives of the Constitution was passed on A. 23rd March 1948, B. 12 March 1948, C. 23rd March 1949. Answer is B. 12 March 1948. Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, was assassinated in Rawalpindi on dash A. 16 October 1950, B. 16 October 1952, C. 16 October 1951. Answer is C. 16 October 1951. The proposed formula of Muhammad Ali Bogra was dash A. welcomed by almost all sections, B. welcomed by some sections, B. severely criticized by some sections. Answer is A. welcomed by almost all sections. Muhammad Ali Bogra presented his formula to the Constituent Assembly on dash A. 7 October 1954, B. 7 October 1953, C. 17 October 1953. Answer is B. 7 October 1953. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. Who was the second Prime Minister of Pakistan? A. Khwaja Nazimuddin, B. Sikandar Mirza, C. Muhammad Ali Bogra. Answer is A. Khwaja Nazimuddin. Maharaja Hari Singh, ruler of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, signed the instrument of accession to India on dash A. 5 December 1947, B. 5 December 1948, C. 26 October 1947. Answer is C. 26 October 1947. At the time of independence in 1947, there were dash princely state in India: A. 562, B. 262, C. 263. Answer is A. 562. The Indian National Congress was formed in A. 1885, B. 1886, C. 1887. Answer is A. 1885. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Vamesh Chandra Banerjee, C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is B. Vamesh Chandra Banerjee. The partition of Bengal by British administration was occurred in dash and was later annulled in dash A. 1900 to 1910, B. 1910 to 1916, C. 1905 and 1911. Answer is C. 1905 and 1911. What was the reaction of Muslim and Hindu towards the partition of Bengal? A. Hindu were happy while Muslim were angry. B. Muslim were happy while Hindu were angry. C. Both Muslim and Hindu were angry. Answer is B. Muslim were happy while Hindu were angry. The Shimla deputation to present Muslim demand was headed by A. Sir Salimullah, B. Mohsin ul-Mulk, C. Sir Agha Khan. Answer is C. Sir Agha Khan. The Muslim League demand for separate electorate was officially accepted for the first time under A. Indian Council Act 1911, B. Indian Council Act 1909, C. Government of Indian Act 1919. Answer is B. Indian Council Act 1909. The first Khilafat Day was observed in India on A. 17 October 1917, B. 17 October 1918, C. 17 October 1919. Answer is C. 17 October 1919. The Khilafat in Turkey was abolished by Mustafa Kemal Atatürk on 3rd March. A. 1926, B. 1924, C. 1928. Answer is C. 1924. Allama Muhammad Iqbal delivered his address at Allahabad. A. 1930, B. 1929, C. 1932. Answer is C. 1930. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan was A. Quaid-e-Azam, B. Liaquat Ali Khan, C. Sikandar Mirza. Answer is B. Liaquat Ali Khan. Pakistan coastline is about dash kilometer along. A. 1046, B. 1044, B. 146. Answer is A. 1046. The Indus-Treaty Water signed in A. 1958, B. 1959, C. 1960. Answer is C. 1960. Shimla deputation comprised Daesh Muslim leaders. A. 15, B. 35, C. 20. Answer is B. 35. Daesh is also called the City of Saints. A. Rawalpindi, B. Multan, C. Lahore. Answer is B. Lahore. Answer is C. Lahore. Sikandar Mirza died and buried in Tehran, Iran in A. 1970, B. 1960, C. 1969. Answer is C. 1969. General Ayub Khan announced land reform in A. 1958, B. 1959, C. 1962. Answer is A. 1958. Answer is A. 1958. When India and Pakistan signed Shimla Agreement? A. July 1972, B. July 1971, C. July 1974. Answer is A. July 1972. The first recipient of Nishani Haider in Pakistan was A. Sarwar Shaheed, B. Aziz Bhatti Shaheed, C. Shabbir Shaheed. Answer is A. Sarwar Shaheed. Thank you for watching.